Hey guys, what are the pretty smart investors doing right now? Are they buying into the market to take advantage of the low price of assets? Or are they just sitting tight and not doing anything? I wonder if there's any that has gotten impatient or started panic selling, trying to set aside their fears. My bet is that the smart investors are still buying into the market at low prices, but they are targeting the companies with good management, diversified revenue streams, companies that have low debt, track record of profitability, and companies that have demonstrated significant growth potential. If you are in the wealth accumulation stage of the investment cycle, then what are your options right now? Where can we make some money right now? Where can we place some funds? Drop some comments below so that I can have your feedback. Can you afford to invest in real estate right now? Are you now getting any little interest on your bank savings account? Just today I checked the bond markets and the yield on bonds, they are still lowering. Is there an alternative to the stock market? Maybe we should just find out which is good to plant some seeds in right now. Stock, gold, you choose. The stock market is the better alternative right now in terms of risk and reward. Please don't think I'm forcing you to just select any one asset class. It is good to have a diversified portfolio. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, cash there, bond there, real estate there, unit trust, stock, even gold. When stock prices fall, sometimes the price of gold rise, but they are different. The difference is you won't be getting any dividend income from gold even when the price goes down. But you can count on a dividend every now and then, or every quarter, or every year from that blue chip stock. So we have a winner, stocks. Yes, you heard me right. If Warren Buffett can earn 2 million% on his stock investments over a 50-year period, how much is that per year? Just check it out and tell me how incredible that really is in your feedback. Some of the avid investors are right now buying more into companies that they already own. For example, you buy 100 stocks at $40 per unit. That works out to be about $4,000. So the price fell to $20 per unit since COVID. Your investment is now valued at 100 times 20, which is $2,000. If you purchase another 100 of that stock at $20 each, you will now have 200 of that stock valued at the new value, which would be $4,000. So you lower the average price that you pay for the stock and now you have more units. And if you remain patient, then you are now well positioned to see an accumulation in the value of your investment upon full recovery of the market. We may have to go through this slowly, but investing in stocks pays the best return over the long term. From it, you can realize a reliable income stream, especially if it's preferred stocks, and even see compound growth on your investment. You will only have a problem if you become impatient. Because remember, the stock market is a place where the patient makes money from the impatient. The short-term thing is not going to work. You will only have the problem if you're trying the markets short-term. That for me is a big red flag. That is not a smart thing to do. You just might end up being bitten. Many have done so and gotten away. Many have done so and made big bucks. I have an idea of how they did that, but that is for another time. One thing is sure, I cannot tell you exactly what will happen to the market in the short term. Try as I may, I just can't. This is a COVID-19 environment, and new for everything, new for investing, schooling, working, you name it. This is the new way environment. And on top of all of that, there is a big election coming up. Will Trump cause you to hit a bump, or will Biden cause you to be hidden? I won't even bother with the rhyming thing. I will tell you what the smart investors are doing right now. Stick to your well-defined investment plan. And if you don't have one, find a reliable investment advisor. Discuss your investment goals. And if you find some time, do a little course on investing. That would be good. Run through that little investment checklist that you had. There are some critical questions that you should normally ask yourself before you make that big investment decision. Check out my vids on Invest and Recover. You'll figure out how much investment risk you should take. How long will it take for you to reach your investment goal? It is a good time to review your past investment mistakes. We have made some costly errors in the past and sure do not wish to repeat these. The smart investors have done all of that and are doing it all over again. Next time we'll talk about what the not so smart investors are doing. and how to avoid those mistakes. Sub me one up, click the bell, share the likes. Out for